Good morning, friends. We are going into Jeju day 1, but we are at the Busan airport to get boarded into our flight. It is very early. We woke up at like 4:30 a.m. So come with us to Jeju. We got a little kimbap for $5 and a fish cake soup for $5. We are in Jeju. Yay!
Jeju Island.
Jeju Island.
Clearing the eye.
We are at Dongmu Market. Just gonna walk around for a little bit until lunch, but
Look at all these hunters.
okay. It's giving Shaogachi Market vibes. Oh my god, so much fish. We're supposed to try it together, but Jeju's known for their oranges / tangerines, so I'm going to try the juice. Can you please hold it while I try my
Pretty
juice?
good, yeah.
I would like to try my juice. Tastes like juice. It's good. It's really good. Cute little beach moment. We're at the tea museum.
Tea.
Tea. These snacks are crazy. Matcha spread. It's a 40-minute wait for almond matcha, but we gotta get it since we're here, so we're gonna explore. Woo! We love matcha. Good job, babe. In the meantime, you guys can look at my little haul. We got a tangerine blossom tea, Jeju tangerine blended tea, some premium matcha for Kelly, and then we got 2 bags of loose leaf bags. Oh, wait, this is the wrong one. Anyways, Jeju matcha milk tea and the green tea waffle. We got the ice cream and a matcha latte and a little Millie crepe. Let's eat. Yummy. Sorry, I don't know if I can see it. Okay, I'm just gonna eat it. Final stop. We are here to catch the sunset.
마음이 콩닥콩닥 Kiss kiss shy shy 점점 너에게 끌려
Good morning. Happy Sunday. It is 4:20 a.m. in the morning, so we're gonna try to get there before 6 a.m. Alright, it is 6:10 and we are going to scan our QR codes to get into the hike, so wish us luck. Officially an hour in. The slope is still very slightly slopey, but at least we can see now, so this is still the easy part. Hard part coming in a couple kilometers. Let's go. It's break time, aka hot dog. Everyone's eating a granola bar. Update 2 hours in. We are actually right in the midst of the hard part and more than halfway done. We're almost there. This is his first legit hike. Let's go, almost there. It is raining. Almost there. Gotta see it. Almost there. I think. You can keep going. I think it took a little over 3.5 hours. Yay! Took a nap in the car and now we're getting an early dinner and we're gonna get some jeju black pork. I'm really excited. Excited to eat?
Yes.
We're both very sore.
Please don't let me go
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Oh yeah, it is afternoon. We are at a provincial park and it's a lot higher than I thought. So there is a crater in there, but someone's a little too lazy to hike today for some reason.
Yesterday.
But we're gonna explore around for a bit, so we'll see you in a bit. some jeju black pork again. Very yummy.
Very good.
Yes, we slept in a little bit, but we are going to go shop around and then we're going to go back up that hill. Going for another hike. Woo! It's okay. This one's only about 30 to 45 minutes, but there are stairs, so yay. Bought our tickets to the summit. It is only a 50-minute round trip, as it says. So much fun.
Good. So fun.
Let's
So
go.
fun.
Look what a beautiful day it is for another hike. Ken, are you having fun? Yay. I've hit Jeju auntie status. This was so cute. Okay, Ken?
Yep.
Halfway there, let's go. It's been a tiring couple days, especially from the hike. So just drove an hour and a half back and we were going to go see the falls, which apparently is really pretty at night, and then we're going to head home for an early night. So let's go.